Well guys, got another package in the mail today. Parts. Show you what I ordered. Hopefully they're all there. Well, that don't look like what I ordered. Don't look like what's in there anyway. I may have changed that parts. Bushing. The one that was in there was plastic. This is metal. It's supposed to be plastic because they're supposed to wear out. So who knows if that's going to work. There's that damn $70 stud that I rent. It's amazing you still get them damn things. And then I went. There's them damn little cap screws I had to drill out. 1/8 MPT. I went ahead and ordered me a replacement for this rod here. And after I ordered it, lost the camera work, and then hold one camera and move the parts with the other. There's another part in there, I think. Maybe I can get this thing set up right here with it kind of. I ended up ordering that bar because the end of that pipe thread thing was boogered up so bad I knew I wasn't going to be able to get a Allen wrench on it, but I ended up drilling that thing out and getting it out without messing up the end on it. So actually I could have saved about $100 if I'd waited. So anyway, here's the new bar. And guess what? It ain't the freaking same. If you can tell. This one has got a damn tap in it. Whereas this one, the old one, had the end studded out just like the other one. So I still got this one. I can use it. Or I can use this one, and I'm thinking those bolts I bought, if I can remember where I put them, fit this. So they're coarse thread. I wish this camera wasn't so close in. Alright, basically that bearing's going to ride on that end right there. And it's the same diameter hole. And these are the bolts I bought that didn't fit mine, but actually I believe they're going to fit this one. In other words, it's a pan down there. In other words, if I'm up here, and I got this bolt right here, put that bolt in there, tighten it down. So it'll still move. So it'll work like that. So the question is, do I want to use it like this or do I want to use the old one? I like this design better. Evidently it was a better design, or they wouldn't ever have went to that instead of that. Evidently they had a lot of trouble with that split type design using these little plugs. So I think I'm going to use this, since I just spent nearly $100 on that damn rod right there. Just like that, since thankfully I'd already bought the bolts, which were the wrong bolts. And I've got that piece, so that'll work in that other bearing. Then little crappy ass caps. And I got the bearing in there, and then I think I've seen another something in here. Oh yeah, the shims. I went ahead and bought some shims for the blade. They come in different sizes. I bought, I think I bought different size shims. Here's my invoice. If you can see that. $230 for those parts. No, I just bought 4 shims. $98 for that big rod. $73 for that stud. $25 for that bushing that I don't know if it'll work or not. So I got these shims. I go in the blade, or I can shim the blade up, get it good and parallel with the other one. If I have to, hopefully I can adjust the bearings enough. Anyway, that's that.